poisoning implies that you ate some food. People often blame it on a restaurant or something that they kept in their refrigerator for more than 3 days that is containing either toxins or bacteria that can make you sick. Now, I will note that most people who have abdominal distress and often nausea with that or vomiting could actually have a viral gastroenteritis rather than food poisoning. But if you have food poisoning, the recovery is to try to get the bad stuff out of your system. So if you have diarrhea, that's doing the job. If you have to vomit and you do so, that's also clearing things out. That's nature's way of clearing it out. Additionally, you have to maintain hydration. So drinking fluids or mixing fluids with something like Gatorade can be helpful to stay hydrated. And the body will typically purge itself of the elements that you would consider poisoned.